Hey, I don't do things like this, but I'm gonna do it. Whatever. Here's my Sharpie. Just scribbling some things out. Oh, it's purple. I should use black. My 2-year-old is sleeping, so I have to be a little quiet. I got my first 6CBB package today. I'm gonna unbox it for everyone. I'm gonna try to upload it to YouTube. Wish me luck. Here it is from 6CBB. I'm really pumped actually. I heard about this because a lot of my friends follow it on Facebook and I just started looking at it. And I like them because they're different. And I'm different. This is my dad's knife. I'm not very California. I just watched the first video that you put. Like, hey, watch this. See what we want to see. I'm just me. I'm very non-California. Here is the envelope. So I'm going to open it up. My 2-year-old is sleeping. I ordered these for my babysitters. I have like a handful of college-age babysitters. I teach a local college, and my girls are always taking care of my little girl. That's what it looks like inside. It's pretty dreamy. So I do intend to give these away, but it's not going to stop me from like looking at them and smelling them and trying them on and stuff. Okay. Number 1. Pretty handy dandy little package. Does it tear? Do I rip it? No, it just opens. It's like the best kind of Ziploc. P.S. Experience everything on the envelope. And Facebook, Twitter, Insta, and YouTube. Of course, you can find 6CBB in those places. Okay. Oh, this one's special. This is the Continue bracelet. I got this for a very special babysitter who needs this bracelet. It's very cool. Purple. And oh, it's got the card is like a card. I thought it was just like a paper card. It's like a card, plastic card. It says, I choose to continue. It says continue on the back. And here's the awesome looking bracelet. Looks like clouds, and it's got the semicolon. And I'm going to put it on my hand, but it's going to my girl. I will keep her name from you. That's very nice. Love it. Is that right? Okay. And I get winded real fast, so I'm just going to show you the other envelopes that are in my special envelope. I'll probably end up keeping one. Don't tell them. This one. It's a work of art for my wrist. Oh. I'm pretty sure one of them says fear not, because that's the thing I like to say. Here's one of those skinnier ones. I love them all. Ugh, this one. Are you kidding me? Why do I order these things? I want to give them away. Not fair. Thanks, 6CBB. Christmas gifts. Peace out.